This is our female common starling. We found her in the eavstrough.
Hey, need more light.
A little broken leg. We're going to take her to the animal shelter tomorrow. We're just housing her overnight, giving her a little drink. Could you move your hand, Joe?
No.
Oh, there she is having a little drink. This one, Jojo.
Hmm?
You're making a shadow. There you go. There she is. She's alive and well. We made her this little nest here. We gave her some seeds and a little bit of rice. We weren't really sure. We got a worm here. We got a little eyedropper, given a little bit of water. She seems to be doing all right, hiding in the corner here. She's in a little crate. There she is.
No.
So her leg's pretty broken up here. We're trying to give her a little worm.
I don't seem to want the worm. Likes the water though.
Thirsty, yeah, leave it in there. There she is.
She's waking up a little bit.
It's giving her a little bit of strength. We've had her since about 5 p.m. Like we said, we climbed a ladder. Got her from the eavstrough. She really does seem to be thirsty. We don't know if she had a nest in there or what was going on, but she's okay, and hopefully they can fix her leg and send her on her way. And if not, at least we know that she had a cozy night. She didn't die of heat exhaustion in 30-degree weather, stuck in the eavstrough with a broken leg. Thank you, Joe, for helping me save her. There she is. Now she can have a little...
Okay. I don't know if he wants any more water.
She can have a little sleep tonight in her little cozy here with a little bit of water and little nest we made.
A little drink.
Can't see now here. I'm going to try to get a little bit of a different angle here.
She's okay. I'll leave her.
Okay.
She's getting little sips once in a while though. I don't know how thirsty.
There we go. This is a better angle here. There we go.
She's good. I'm gonna leave her with that.
Okay.
Just give her a little
So, we'll keep everyone posted.
a little bit of
And good night, Mrs. Starling.